I'm on a 1 hour, on a 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, the market is actually trending to the downside. How do we know that? The breaking structures to the downside. If I make it a little bit smaller, see the trends, lower low, high low, breaking structure here, creating a new lower low, that correlation, another breaking structure here, it went there, and then still creating lower lows, breaking structure there, lower lows, as you can see. So you can see that in the 4-hour time frame, the market is actually trending to the downside. If we look to the 1-hour time frame, let's see what we have on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, analyzing the market using the top-down approach. That's what we are doing so that we know where the trend is going. So the market is still on a downside. So you see a breaking structure there because the market went back again, broke the structure here. The structure was broken to the upside, and then the market continues to go on a downside. Of course, it has been basically responding to these areas. This is the first area that it responded, responding here as well, responding here, and then basically there's a break in structure going to the downside, creating a new lower low, and then it went up there. But even though this part, it has not yet been taken out, so I would still say the market is still on a downside. A good downward trend continuing as well on the lower time frame, so we should be considering a sell as the opportunity that we are currently looking for. So if you go down further to the 30 minutes time frame, it's the 30 minutes time frame. Basically, you can see the market broke the structure there, going to the downside. It went there, went down there, smaller breaking structure here, then it went up again here, and then it has been responding to these areas, but there's another breaking structure here to the downside. So the market is still on a downward trend. We just need to look for the opportunities to sell. How do we do that? There's a breaking structure here, okay? And then what's the origin of this breaking structure? So you'd see if we go to the 15 minutes time frame so that you see the proper origin. So this breaking structure here, so the origin will be this candle here. You see this candle here? That's where the structure, the origin of the candles that broke, like the impulse that broke the structure. So I'll put that as our area of interest or as our order block. So we basically just need to wait for the market to react to that price, and then we take our sell. So we just need to wait for the market. For example, here you see there's a liquidity there, an imbalance. So you see this candle, and then there's immediately the candle that came after it. There's a fair value gap like in between here, between this candle and the order block. So this is the liquidity that you want the market to fill in. So I would say I normally call this an imbalance. So it's an imbalance. So basically I want the market to go all the way reacting there to that order block. We want the market to continue to do this, react to this place, hopefully go down, retest, then we might be considering to continue with the downward trend. Sometimes it can also just be a sniper entry, whereby you don't have to wait for the retest. So we might be waiting for this, that once you have a proper confirmation candle, and then you're going downside. So it just depends on your risk management, but I would prefer a retest so that just to have a proper confirmation. But if you're so confident in the approach, you pretty much just put up a sniper entry whereby you put your order there, your stop loss, you put it there, just above this, your stop loss, and then it's a good reward ratio of around 3.97. So let's see how the market goes, but that's the market for CADCHF. What do you think? Good setup. Let's see how the market reacts. Yeah, so it's quite risky to enter it here. Sometimes the market would want to go first there before reacting down, or it might just be reacting back and breaking this structure here. So that's how the CADCHF is operating. And then yeah, so let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe into my channel for more analysis like this. So just a recap, we went all the way from the top down approach. As a recap, we want to understand the trend. Okay, so simple model, you know where the market is going. If you make it a little bit lower, the market is on a downside. It is breaking structures, block this structure to the downside. Okay, I'll give you even an example here to show that there was an opportunity that would have been utilized here. You see here, that's what we similar to what we are waiting for. The market broke this structure. After breaking this structure, we waited for the market to react back to this place, but we did not buy here. We did not sell here, sorry, because we wanted the market to clear this liquidity there. You see the liquidity here? This liquidity has to be cleared, an imbalance. Okay, something similar to what we are waiting for there. So we want the market to clear that. Once the market clears that here, very good opportunity to sell. So if you enter sell here, put your stop loss there, you would have had a good reward ratio of around 6. You put $100, you've got 600, or 1,000 is 6,000. You see? So you would want the market to clear up this liquidity. So using this top down approach, it really works for proper catch. And then going back to my recap, so in the 1 hour time frame, we need to confirm that the trend is the same. So we confirm here that the trend is still basically on a downward trend. This is being guided by the structures being broken. Okay, so just now we need to identify our area of entry. So if you go to the 30 minutes, basically this is where we are targeting. So there's a breaking structure here, the origin of the candles that broke this structure being there. So that's why I've marked in as our area of our order block. So the market has to clear at least this imbalance because we want to take advantage of the whole liquidity sweep. So once we get there, we enter the order, we go on the downside. So that's how I've analyzed the CADCHF market. We're looking for a sell. Let's see how the market reacts, and then we can hopefully have a recap. So share your thoughts on the comment section, how you see the setup, and yeah, thank you so much, and thank you for joining me on my channel, and kindly like and subscribe, and also share to your friends as well. Thank you so much. Bye.